Welcome to the Ideal Auto Factory, and today's video I'm going to be unboxing and setting up my new 3D printer. Now, I'm no newbie to 3D printing. I have printed plenty of parts, but I've only done it through resin printing. But this time around, you could say I'm a rookie. I have acquired a Bamboo Labs P1S with AMS2 Pro combo. If you're new here, I definitely don't talk about 3D printing a whole lot, but I do talk about RC drifting and vinyl wrapping. And now I have decided to get myself an FDM printer so I can start making my own parts and designing them as well. So with all of that being said, keep God first. Let's get into this video. Now, the first thing I want to do is share with you that I am not good at setting things up from the box. So I decided to scan that QR code and watch a video from my laptop as far as opening this box and, getting started the right way, because otherwise I would have just done it trial by fire. So here I am. I'm taking those two pieces of tape off the sides so I can lift the bag out. That has to be one of the most fulfilling things ever, because there's nothing else in the actual packaging. Everything's inside of the printer. So this is one of the reasons why I actually picked this printer. From the reviews, from everything that people have been saying, it is a tool, right? 3D printer is a tool, but there's no guesswork on how to set it up and how to get started. There's profiles, there's all the settings already set up for you. And so all you have to do is, unbox it and plug it in and start. So I'm still watching that video. I'm pausing and playing as I unbox everything. There's protection, like packaging over the glass door, over the glass top, over everything. Now, the Bamboo Labs does claim that it takes 15 minutes to get everything set up and ready to go. That wasn't the case for me, and that's because I just took my time and I was a little more careful. This is something brand new to me, and I enjoyed every bit of the experience of unboxing everything. It wasn't tedious. I just didn't know anything, so I'm just being very careful. Now, most 3D printers have this kind of intuitive process where you get to put all the tools in there and just kind of be a part of the process. This was not the case. I feel like it was like unboxing a phone. You just unbox it and you turn it on. There was no putting a SD card in. There was no like putting a battery in it or having to unscrew a whole lot of things just to get it to work. No, this was already like set up. I did have to remove these 3 screws because they held the bed down, and if you start the actual printer without these screws removed, the bed won't move and you probably damage a lot of things. Now I have an AMS2 Pro, but I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this because not all the parts have come yet for it. When I made the purchase, Bamboo Labs did say that stuff would start to ship on the 28th, on or about the 28th of November, but no, everything came well before then, except for that right angle connector piece. Here is the black tape on the provided filament, and I'm feeding it into the PTFE tube, and you'll see the green kind of shine through the tube and get all the way to the head. Make sure you push that all the way in. I didn't, and yeah, so when the first print started, nothing came out, and I was like, oh, that's not right. And then I just pushed it all the way in. I pushed the filament all the way in until it stopped. And yeah, there goes my first little poop shoot of things. That's what everyone calls it. And this is the Benchy, all done at some later time. It only took like 15 minutes to print, and it was really fast. And the quality in it is quite amazing. Coming from resin printing, I didn't expect the quality to be this good. Yes, there's the layer lines, but that's no biggie to me because I know the strength that will come from these products that I print will be well worth the trade-off of that little bit of, eye candy. It is now the next day, and I'm speechless. I am so excited because this is a benchy, and it's honestly perfect. It's spot on. It's right there. So I went and I did something for my kids because I felt like, I've always involved them since the beginning. That's how I got started into drifting. I wanted to build something different with my son instead of building the Lego kits all the time. Hey, let's build a drift car. So I printed what someone else designed, and this is a infinity cube. It's called an infinity cube, and I printed this, and it's cool because you can do this without any supports or anything like that. It's just printed flat, and 2 hours later I had 4 of them. So all of my kids have one now. It's really cool. I did not expect the printer to be as fast as it is, but it is really nice. And like I said before, the AMS, the buffer on the back or whatever it's called, it hasn't arrived yet. It's supposed to be here today. We'll see. But yeah, I got one more thing to show you. So just wait 1 second. 1 second. Look, I'm really excited to show you all. I can't hold the excitement anymore. I got a 3D printer, so I started 3D printing things. So it's only right that I show you. This is the. Stay tuned for the next video where I actually share what that is. It's gonna be awesome. Keep God first. I will catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.